So we are going to do autogenic relaxation as our relaxation exercise. We know that our body is constantly responding to what is going on in our minds. Autogenic relaxation is a method of suggesting different feelings so that we feel more relaxed. This type of relaxation can reduce our pulse and blood pressure, and it can reverse the symptoms of stress and tension that often accompany chronic pain. Like all relaxation methods, it takes time to learn, and the more that you practice, the more skilled you'll become. So obviously, to begin, you're going to get yourself into that comfortable position. You may choose to relax lying down or with your feet elevated. Anybody who's got back pain might like lying down with their lower legs on a low table or a chair so that they are chair shaped. This takes some of the tension off the lower back and is a comfortable position. So when you're ready and comfortable, just allow your eyes to close if you're happy to do so. And let's begin by focusing on your breathing. Just being aware of breathing in cooler air and breathing out slightly warmer air. Be aware of the cooler air passing over your nostrils and the back of your throat as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, slightly warmer air. Notice that as you breathe out, with each out breath, you breathe away the tension. As you breathe in, imagine taking the in-breath right up to the top of your head. And as you breathe out, allowing the breath to travel through your body and out of your feet. Let the breath become one nice, smooth, circular rhythm. Breathing in, traveling through the body, and let the breath go out of your feet. If the mind begins to wander, just acknowledge the thought and let it float away on a cloud, and bring your focus back to the in-breath, right up to the top of your head, and the out-breath travels through the body and out of your feet. Now we're just going to focus all the attention on your right arm. So just thinking about your right arm now. And for your next few out breaths, each time you breathe out, think to yourself, my right arm is heavy and warm. My right arm is heavy and warm. And if you want to, you can imagine someone gently pressing down on your right arm and the sun shining through the window and warming the skin on your arm. And now focusing on your left arm. Just thinking about your left arm. And for the next few out breaths, each time you breathe out, think to yourself, my left arm is feeling heavy and warm. With each out breath, my left arm is heavy and warm. And if you want to, picture that in your mind's eye. Good, you're doing very well. Now just note how your arms and your hands feel as a result of doing that. And if you notice any changes in sensation, just allow those sensations to happen. Any tingling or feelings of lightness in your arms or your hands mean that you are allowing yourself to relax. And that is perfectly normal. And now we're going to focus on your right leg. So just thinking about your right leg now. And we're going to do the same again. So thinking about the right leg. And for the next few out breaths, each time you breathe out, think to yourself, my right leg is heavy and warm. My right leg is heavy and warm. And if you want to, picture that in your mind's eye. Perhaps feel the sun shining through the window and warming the skin on your leg. And now we're going to bring the focus to the left leg. So just thinking about your left leg now. And each time you breathe out, think to yourself, my left leg is heavy and warm. My left leg is heavy and warm. Perhaps picture the sun shining through the window and warming the skin on your left leg. Perhaps picturing that the left leg is heavy and warm, and picture that in your mind's eye. Now just note how your legs and feet feel as a result of doing that. Just notice any changes in sensation and allow those sensations to happen. Any tingling or feelings of lightness. and your legs and feet mean that you're allowing yourself to relax, and that is perfectly normal. Just allow the body to relax. And now just bring the focus back to the breath. Breathing in through the nose, feeling the cold air, and out through the mouth, feeling the warmth. Just begin to bring yourself back into the room, feeling the points of pressure where the body is resting. Slowly beginning to maybe wiggle the fingers and toes. And just notice how you may feel differently to the way you did before the meditation. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in the Autogenic relaxation exercise. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.